Alright guys, so today we're working on the Ford Transit 150 today. It's the same as the 250 and the 350. We've broken well, somebody broke off the door here. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. It's actually really easy to do. So the first thing we wanna do is, let me adjust the camera so you guys can see. We're going to take a pry tool. I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver I wrapped in tape so we don't mar anything. And we're just going to find a way in and just kind of pry this off. Just like so. This one is older, so it'll pop off pretty easy. So we're going to just pop him. And you have your 4 clips here, which correspond to here. And we have to pop off this bottom piece here. So what we're going to do is just kind of fit our screwdriver down and just pop off. Again, you have your 4 clips and these 2 little pieces that go here. From here, we're going to take our drill here. Well, let me use the impact very carefully. It is a T25 Torx bit. We're going to loosen this one, and up here we're going to loosen this one at the top, just like so. We'll set those aside, and then we're going to pry off this old assembly here. We want to find, so there are going to be clips behind this the body here. So we're going to do our best to try and find those. Let me see if we can't find a good angle here without marring anything. This is always the fun part, is finding the... We'll take off this piece here. And let's see if we can't get behind. So you can pry that one out. As you can see, here is one of the clips, and then we're gonna go down, finding the other one. This is why I put the tape on, so I don't scratch anything. It is a work van, so not too bad. There's the other one, and then there is this one here. And then it's also going to be held on around here, so we just kind of pop him off. This one is garbage anyways. So next we're going to put our fuel door on. So if we look here, let me try and show you a little better view. So you have your 4 little prongs here. Those are going to align to your 4 little pieces here, and we're going to open our fuel door and we're going to slide those on, and these little leaves here, doing this with too many hands here, so this one, and this one are going to align here, here, and here. So it all should line up pretty smooth. We're going to press it in like so, and then we have our door. So from here we're going to line up all of the holes again and our new clips here, and what we have to do is align the seal around the gas cap here. So let me adjust the angle of the camera so you guys can see better what I'm doing here. So we're going to first align him, and then he's going to slide in just like that. Very, very easy. And then we'll take our screws and we're going to place the first one in here at the top, right there. And then we're going to take our next screw, place him here. Oop. And then our last and final screw goes in here. Let me readjust so you guys can see that there. This one goes in this slot here. They don't have to go in tight or like super tight, but that is all there is to that. Then what we're going to do is take this piece and just pop him right back in, just like so. And we're going to take this piece and we're going to align again our 4 clips to the 4 holes here, and we're going to just snap him in, and he is in place. And we have successfully installed our fuel assembly for the Ford Transit 150. A little bit messy. This one is an old beat up rental, so it looks like it was replaced before. This one doesn't look factory at all, so is what it is. But I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to purchase one of these. They're not very expensive at all. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.